Ready to unlock incredible flight deals and travel the world without breaking the bank? Let's dive into Skyscanner, your ultimate tool for finding the cheapest flights. First, head to Skyscanner's website or open the app. You'll see a simple search form right on the homepage. Enter your departure city and your destination. If you're flexible, select everywhere to explore a world of possibilities. Then, choose your departure date. If you're not tied to specific dates, select whole month or cheapest month to see the best deals. Skyscanner will show you a calendar with color-coded dates indicating the cheapest days to fly. Green means go. Select your preferred dates, or let Skyscanner find the absolute lowest price for you. Now, browse the flight options. Use the filters on the left to narrow down your search by airline, number of stops, or flight duration. To make sure you never miss a deal, set up a price alert. Simply click the bell icon next to a flight you're interested in. Skyscanner will notify you if the price drops. Feeling adventurous? Use the map view to discover cheap flights to destinations you've never considered. It's a fantastic way to find inspiration and unexpected travel opportunities. And that's it. With these Skyscanner tips, you're ready to find incredible deals and travel the world for less. Happy travels!